going on, Fireflies? It's me, NeonMUA, and I am here to present you with some greatness. Alright, you guys, so I am back once again to talk to you guys about Neon Dreams. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I am so thrilled and so excited and so thankful that you guys have received the reveal so well, and you guys are equally excited about this product and this collection as I am. I don't know what else to say. I'm excited. So in case you guys did not know, I have collaborated with Drench Cosmetics on a 2018 winter collection entitled Neon Dreams. In case you missed my reveal, you can check out the last video. I'll leave a link for it in the bubble above and the description below so that you guys can click and watch and do all that stuff. Pause this video if you haven't seen it and then go watch it and then come back, you know, whatever. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing a demonstration of how I use Neon Dreams. I wanted to give you guys a chance to see how versatile this collection can be and how great it can be for someone who loves makeup. Whether you're someone who likes just putting on gloss and mascara and calling it a day, or if you're someone who does a full beat like I do, then there's going to be a product in this collaboration for you. So stay tuned so you can see that. Don't forget, you guys, Neon Dreams officially launches on the Drench Cosmetics website on Wednesday, December 12th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you set your alarms and get ready, you guys, to ride the wave with us. I'm excited. That's so weird. Okay. So like I said, I wanted to create a video of me using all the products to do this simple, easy to do holiday glam party look. There's glitter, there's shimmer, there's glow. It's all the things you'll love for holidays that I love for holidays anyway. So yeah, I'm excited. Before this video begins, if at any point you are enjoying yourself and enjoying me and the content I'm creating, then go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, like, support. It means so much. Also, if you want to continue seeing me on your YouTube feed, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload. And without further ado, we're gonna get right into this demonstration of Neon Dreams to create this cute, easy to do holiday winter party situation look. Yeah, so let's go. So I got a mirror now, so hopefully I won't block the camera when I record, and when I get started. So the goal is to use, or not the goal is, I am going to use all the products from my Neon Dreams winter collection in this video. For starters, I am going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r primer. So the first product from my collection I'm going to be using is the Cosmic Water in Beat But Woke. I know I had a lot of people asking me about how to use the Cosmic Water on the face, so I figured this would be a great way to explain that. To let you guys get an idea of what this is not necessarily, oh dear God, this is not made in the way that a setting spray is made. Some setting sprays are made with alcohol to help set in the makeup, lock everything in place. This is a Cosmic Water because it is more of an all over body sort of situation. Think of this more as like a primer spray as opposed to a setting spray. So what I like to do is use this over my face and to help give like a glow from within without having to like glow, but like glow. Did I mention glow? Glow. And it's not something that's going to be like extremely like blinding on the face, but again, this is, I just like bathing in this. This is so refreshing. Next, moving to the foundation, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation. I'm in the shade 430 and I'm going to put that on the face. Next, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Pro Filt'r concealer. And while I'm waiting for the concealer to dry down, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matte Stick to contour. and blending out the concealer. Next, I'm taking the Bakerie flour powder to set my under eye. And to set my face, I'm using the Milk Makeup translucent powder in Deep. I'm going to do a little bit of contour, nothing too like intense, just something very like soft, because I want this to be more of a easy to wear look. So I'm going to be taking the Drench Cosmetics Face Form Contour Sculpting palette thing. I'm going to use this shade to contour, and I might use this shade to bronze. So I changed my mind. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi bronzer to bronze. I'm going to sculpt and do my brows off camera, and then I'll be back and we're going to do the eyes and use some more of my lovely collection. So, wait. So, be right back.
Why?
Shut up. Alright, you guys, so the brows are done and I've already carved out, I've already primed my eyes. We're going to get into the eye work. This eye look is going to be more of like a easy to wear holiday eyewear look. Alright, to start, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. I'm going to take the shade Twig and use that to define my crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Dystopian, which is the dark brown in that palette, and I'm going to place that all over the lid. I'm just going to take the shades Cyborg and Cinder, tap that lightly over the lid, mostly in the center, to liven up the eye, give it a little bit of dimension, a little bit of sparkle. If you feel like you've gotten a little carried away, you can take a little bit of Dystopian and just tap that into the eye, and I'm focusing that into my crease more. Now it's time for the fun stuff. Now it's time to play with more of the Neon Dreams collab. So first I'm going to put a thin layer of powder under my eyes as a barrier because things are about to get sparkly. What is your favorite product from the collab?
I definitely love the glitter. I can't remember names and stuff.
That's fine.
But I love the glitter.
Mm-hmm.
And then I love the holiday. Highlight my face.
Well, I'm glad you brought up the glitter.
And then
okay,
I really love the gloss.
Okay.
The gloss. But I like the way the spray looks in the bottle. I just really try to figure out what I'm supposed to do with it.
Well,
and I'm guessing that you're doing a video about what to do with it.
Yeah, I said it's a body spray, but you can use it under your foundation as well.
I know what you said, but I want to see you do it.
Okay, cool.
I learned from watching, not from what people say.
Okay. All right. So,
are you trying to talk?
Yes, shut the hell up. So, I am taking my NYX glitter glue and I'm going to place that on the bottom lash line. Next for my collection, I'm going to be taking the glitter pot in the shade Moon Shards, and I'm going to stamp that on that bottom lash line where I place that glue. And I like doing this kind of technique whenever like I want to do a subtle look but add a little bit of color. So you know, this is great for those of you who have office parties or something. If you guys are concerned about like this glitter being okay for the eyes, like I said in my video, this is an eye safe glitter. So don't stick it directly in your eye, but you know, if you do, it's okay. Wow. Alright, so the glitter is down on the under eye. As you can see, it's enough to like pop, but it's not enough to like drive people crazy. So this is great for like little holiday parties and stuff, you know? Now I'm going to go in with my baby, the Neon Dreams loose highlighter, and I'm going to use that to highlight the inner corner as well as my brow bone. And this is a loose highlighter, you guys, so a little goes a long way, ladies and gentlemen. Be careful. One thing about YouTube that no one tells you is that you spend a lot of time talking to yourself and you look stupid. Gonna throw on some mascara. I am taking the Snap Mascara by Maybelline. I'm not sure if this, the Snap Scare. This is new. I'm not sure if it's out yet, but I know it's super new. I'm gonna be throwing on lashes, you guys. This are the cotton, Jesus! For lashes, I'm gonna be throwing on the Cotton Cloud lashes. These are in the style Stratus. This is gonna be a nice little like, so I'm gonna throw these lashes on and we'll be back to finish up the face. Alright, I've got my lashes on. Now we're gonna go and finish up the face. For blush, I'm gonna be using the CoverGirl True Blend Blush in Dark. And now I'm going to be using the Neon Dreams Loose Highlighter once again to highlight my face. And this time I'm using like a really small, like defined blending brush. A really defined small blending brush to get that very precise blend. And that, that highlight though. Sis! Ayo sis. And to finish up this look, I'm going to be taking my Fireflies Lip Lava Lip Gloss. Now I'm just going to set my face using Drench Cosmetics setting spray. Alright guys, this is the completed look. This is my demo on how I use the Neon Dreams Winter Collection to create this like very wearable, on my level, holiday look. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, like, and support. It means so much. Also, if you want to continue seeing my face on your YouTube feed, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload. Also, you guys, make sure that you follow me on all my social media accounts. That is NeonMUA on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And you guys, don't forget that the official launch of my Neon Dreams collaboration with Drench Cosmetics launches on Wednesday, December 12th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Go ahead and set your alarm. Get ready, boys and girls, because we're going to have so much fun on that day. I can't wait. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Like, I'm still on cloud 10, 11, 12, all the clouds. I'm still geeked. I'm still excited about this collab. I am thrilled that you guys have received it so well. I truly am thankful from the bottom of my heart for all of you guys who've given me such great feedback on this collaboration, and I can't wait till you guys get your hands on it, get to play with it, and just have as much fun as I've had. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you again so much for watching, and until next time and December 12th, take care. Later. What's going on? Shut the fuck. Dick. The hell? Man, this hell you dick. What's going on, Fireflies? It's me, NeonMUA, and I'm here to present you with some
Penis.
Shut up.
What's up, Fireflies?
Wow, rude.
Boy, Neon.
I got a mirror, so maybe I won't block. Shut up!
And I'm back with another video.
Oh my god, shut the hell up!
Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Turn that post notification on.
Are you done? Shit!
Until next time.
Ew, anyway. Anyway.
What?
Keller don't like me anyway, y'all.
Who said I didn't like you?
I did.
Yes,
Would
you let me finish?
Would you let me finish?
I admire you, Harris.
Wow.
I adore you.
Wow.
You are my light in this darkness.
Wow. Notice she never said like in that sentence.
If you would let me finish.
You should have said like to begin with. Keller.
You need to let me finish.
You should have sat there and ate your food.
You need to let me finish. You are everything to me, Harris. Okay? I like you.
About damn time, shit.
I love you.
Took long enough, shit.
You are.
I've only been waiting 22 years of my life to hear it, so.